following video will go through the step-by-step process of making a zone on a map. You'll first want to navigate onto the left-hand side and click on Map. Then you'll want to click this icon here to add a zone. And you can click down here on the bottom right to change the map layout. Change it to satellite so it's a bit clearer to see. Then you can zoom in and zoom out and go to the location of where you want to add a zone. Once you've found the location of your zone, you're going to want to make your first point. Click on the first surrounding location of the zone. Click on the second, third, and fourth. And then when you're done, you want to click on the first point that you created. Once that's done, you're going to want to give your zone a name. And under comment, you want to detail what it is that this zone is in regards to. Once that's done, you want to scroll back up and go to Map View. Select a color for your zone. And over here, you're able to change the transparency. Once you're done, you're going to want to click Save. And now if we scroll down, we can see that our new zone has been created.